I have a beautiful watermelon here, and I'm going to make watermelon barbecue sauce. First thing I need to do is get all the watermelon peeled and get all the seeds and everything out of it. I'll be right back. Now that I have it all chopped up and most of the seeds removed, I'm going to take these little bits and put them in my blender and blend them up. Then I'm going to strain it through here into my pan. I have it all nice and strained here and in my pot. I'm going to turn on the heat and reduce it to about half and grate an onion and some garlic in there. I have the onions all grated up and the garlic. I'm just going to go ahead and add this to the watermelon juice, and I'm going to cook it and reduce it by half. It's been cooking down for a while. Looks like tomato juice now. I'm going to go ahead and start adding the other ingredients. I need to get some vinegar here. I'm going to add a couple cups of vinegar to it. Add about a cup of brown sugar here. I'm going to be canning this, so that's why the measurements don't really matter too much. It's more of a taste preference anyway. Go ahead and add some chili powder. A few spoonfuls of that. Ground mustard. I have some cayenne pepper I'll add to it. And I'll mix it up and see what it tastes like. I'm just going to stir it and reduce it about half again. It's looking good. It smells great. Okay, I think it is done. It's nice and thick. And once it cools down, it'll get a lot thicker. Smells excellent. I'm going to stir it here and put it in some jars, and I'll be right back. They are. I got a pint and a quart. I'm just going to go ahead and let these cool down, and then I will try them out and show you what they're like. Here's the barbecue sauce. That's what it looks like. I used this and made some ribs. I have a little meal here. It's good sauce. Watermelon barbecue sauce. It's delicious. I'm going to finish my meal. Hope everyone has a wonderful day. Bye.